super durable. If they just met one of these two criteria, your laptop would probably have a pretty hefty price tag. And honestly, it's already quite rare to come across laptops that actually meet one of these two standards. But today, I'm gonna introduce to you guys a laptop that's both super lightweight and super duper durable. This is the latest Asus ExpertBook B9, model B9450. It's selling in my country right now for an equivalent of over $2,100. But for those of you in the US, the exact same spec is available on Amazon right now for only $1,700 US. Yes, a price tag that would make you sweat a little. But the things that this laptop is capable of would also get some sweats out of you. I was so taken aback when I first held this machine because it's so light at only 995 grams, not even 1 kilogram. I definitely wasn't expecting that floaty feel on my hand considering the 14-inch size and the very sturdy, solid look. Even in the first few days, whenever I go and pick it up, I was like, oh gosh, I forgot how light this was. And the look is just so deceiving. So yeah, it took me a while to get used to the almost unusual lightness of this machine, if that's a word. And because of that, it has always been my first choice these days whenever I need to go out, for its ultra portability. And it always feels like nothing in my backpack. I always forgot that I have a laptop in there. So, how exactly durable is this under 1 kilogram laptop? This thing is made from magnesium and lithium alloy. This helps reduce the weight, but at the same time makes the whole thing feel super duper sturdy compared to the magnesium and aluminum alloy or only aluminum at the same weight. From my experience, I don't notice any flimsiness or flexes wherever I touch on the machine. It's very sturdy, very tough, and it's also a very premium feel, despite not having the shiny look of aluminum. It gives me an assured feeling whenever I hold it, open it, or type on it. Like the LG Gram, for example. It's also made from magnesium alloy and it's also very lightweight. But I remember that it flexes quite a lot. But with this B9, it's honestly quite hard to make it flex. Okay. But that's not all about it. I mean, it's a sub $2,000 machine. It would be a shame if that's all that's special about it, right? But wait, this is something that not many products are capable of. This thing, since it arrived at the office, has been the center of everyone's attention because of the epic drop test. Let me tell you, I've lost count of how many times this thing has been brutally dropped at substantial heights, like a lot of times. It was even dropped to land on its edge, and this thing has lived through it all, with only a small dent at the corner. Other products, if dropped at some of these angles and heights, I bet that they will black out, or worse, end up with a cracked screen. And truly, I have to bow my head to this magnesium and lithium alloy. It's so tough, so durable. You want more proof? Look, this is me, standing right on top of it. Still not convinced? I'm so small it doesn't really count? Okay guys, this is my pal, a big guy, 80 kilograms, standing on a laptop that's not even 1 kilogram. Just impressive. And that's not all. Asus claims that the keyboard is water resistant. Underneath, there's a gutter that can hold up to 66 millimeters of liquid. I can confirm this because I also poured water on it and it still works just fine. About I/O, the laptop is very light but contains an adequate range of connectivity, from USB-A to Thunderbolt 3s, HDMI, and Mini Ethernet. If you're saying, oh, why the Mini Ethernet? Then the answer is, it's for increased security. This machine has an integrated LAN chip, so its MAC address is embedded in the machine. For MacBooks, for example, it doesn't have an Ethernet port, so if you need wire connections, you would have to use an external dongle, and the MAC address is stored on there. If this dongle gets lost, you'd have a chance of getting your data stolen. Speaking of security, we also have a fingerprint sensor and facial recognition for Windows Hello, and this slider to physically cover up the webcam. Very sufficient. The keyboard typing feel is also very good for such a thin device. Very good travel at 1.5 millimeters. Very nice. A lot of products try to get as thin as possible and sacrifice the keyboard, which really annoys me. But with this B9, you don't have to worry about the keyboard. I can guarantee that it's very easy to get used to. The touchpad is also super smooth, good spacious size, although it would be perfect if it was a bit taller. Underneath the touchpad is the integrated numpad, necessary for a business laptop. It works well, fast responses. I know that you prefer a physical numpad. I do too, so I almost never use this. But if you need it, it's there. Better than nothing, right? The device has a 14-inch display. It actually only has 3 thin bezels, but Asus is very smart to hide this with the Ergo Lift mechanism. When opened, it will lift up the base panel a little, both providing a good angle for typing and aid airflow, but also to hide the thick chin for an impressive 4 thin bezels look. You could call this cheating, but it's actually quite smart. Asus also moved the ExpertBook logo to the base panel above the keyboard to accommodate this. It's also a premium display quality. For a business user, there's nothing to complain about this display. It's also equipped with the panel self-refresh technology. It has a memory chip to memorize still images, and it will tell the GPU that it doesn't have to constantly extract images onto the screen, so it can save on power. Asus claims that for still images, PSR will help the display consume 3 times less power. I find this a very useful feature because the display is one of the most power-consuming parts in a laptop, and battery life is one of Asus' biggest marketing highlights on this machine. They claim that it can last up to 24 hours. But from my testing, the 66 Wh battery on this machine allows for a comfortable 8 on-screen hours. Still very impressive. The speakers provide okay sound quality. Nothing spectacular, but not too bad either. Specs and performance. It's a thin and light laptop, power-saving chip. I guess that you're already quite familiar with this type. This uses the Core i7-10510U Comet Lake CPU, 4 core, 8 threads, 16 gigs of RAM, 1TB Samsung NVMe SSD. I used this machine to open and run very heavy Excel files and had no problems. Not to mention, the plentiful memory and storage space will future-proof this machine for you for a long time. There's only one thing. I noticed that the bottom of the machine warms up pretty fast, probably because of how thin this thing is. It will be noticeable when you use it on your lap. Upgradability is limited to 2 NVMe SSD slots. The 2 RAM slots are soldered on. And that's all that I want to share with you about the Asus ExpertBook B9, a very high quality product which deserves to be considered a premium business laptop. In my opinion, the B9450 is indeed a rare find for the pickiest business people. Okay, that's all for today guys. If you're impressed with this machine and enjoyed the video, take half a second to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Bye bye!